Hey there, want to create your own custom character for Roblox but not sure where to start? In this quick tutorial, I will walk you through how to generate a brand new 3D character, turn it into a rig, and import it into Roblox Studio, all in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. Every cool avatar starts with a design. Let's create one from scratch. Now we are going to generate a picture with a character, and then we are going to convert it to 3D and then import to Roblox. So to generate an image, we need to go to Google AI Studio, and here we have a Nano Banana model selected, and here you can type anything you want. Be creative. It could be like futuristic hero or mystical guardian, anything you can imagine. Just type a prompt and it will generate an image for you. In my example, I'm going to generate 5 unique characters and then pick one of them. So let's do it right now. Generate 5 unique characters for my game cartoon style. You can choose, pick whatever you want style. Picture them in one image. I don't like none of them. Generate another 5 different style. Okay, let's stop at this. This knight is good. Picture the geometric knight in a separate picture, holding nothing, a pose, a white background. So now we are preparing this character image to be more suitable for 3D generation. Make sure it's clean, remove background, hold nothing, and that's our straight point. Next we will turn this design into a proper 3D mesh for Roblox by using Meshy AI. At this point you need to download this image, and that's it. So now your character needs a real 3D body. Let's bring this image that we just generated to life. Go to Meshy AI. Here we have option generate image to 3D. UI is pretty straightforward. You need to pick an image. That's what I'm going to do right now. So I just selected our knight and check this 80 pose because we're going to generate the rig, so this will be helpful, is a must. And now we need to click generate. License can be private, symmetry automatic, and let's generate it. Okay, the generation is completed. I just double clicked, so it generated me 2 models. This one is better, and again, if you don't like the model, you can use this free retry. You have up to 4 attempts to regenerate this model, but I would like to stay on this. This looks good. Okay, and as you can see, this model has a lot of faces, which is not optimal. In Roblox, it's recommended to use like about 10,000 vertices or like up to 30,000. So what we need to do next is to remesh it. Here is an option you can remesh. People recommend to have like up to 10,000 key or 30,000 key, and I think we will stay with 10K, so it can be optimized for mobile devices, but I think you feel free to use 30K as well. It should be also fine. You need to select and click confirm to remesh it. So now we need to wait a few seconds and it downgrade the number of vertices to be 10,000. As you can see, our model is optimized. Just to compare, here we have more details, here we have less details, but once we apply a texture, it should look better. So the next step here is to apply texture. Here we have this next step, and now we can use the texture that we from the image that we initially generated, or you can replace it if you want to change it. You can go back to Nano Banana and change the style, change the color, and then apply this new texture. And then you need to click texture. Okay, the texture is applied, so we can open our characters and check this. And the next step here will be adding a rig. So here we have another tab, animate, and we need to click rig. And in Meshy AI, here there are a couple of options. You can apply a rig of humanoid and dog, but our option is humanoid. Click next, next. Now we need to place these points correctly, so to generate the rig correctly. And yeah, some of them already placed right. Just need to make a couple of adjustments. Okay, now we have this rigged model. Our character is walking. Also, they have plenty of animations, but we are not going to generate them now. This rig that is generated by Meshy is not the same as Roblox need. And next I'm going to show you how to convert it to rig 15 needed for Roblox. So for doing this, first we need to download our model. Click this download button. Select rigged character. We don't need to export animation, so rigged character is enough for us for now. And click download. And that's it. Just like that, your custom character is now ready. And next step will be importing this character into Roblox Studio and converting it to your avatar. Now let's bring this custom character into Roblox Studio and convert it to our avatar. We need to move to Roblox Studio. Here we have default project, and first let's import our model. We need to go to import 3D and pick our downloaded model. Here I recommend you to rename it. Sometimes it can be a problem. For now you can just skip these warnings. So click import. Okay, our model is loaded, but we have some problems with it. We need to fix it before we convert it to avatar, Roblox avatar. We need to fix the hands. Hands should face down. And let's find our arms, forearms, and let's rotate it to face down. And let's do the same with the right. Okay, now our character is perfectly organized. And the next we need to select this setup. In setup, need to select body. You will see the preview of your avatar, and then you can click setup. The rig that was generated by Meshy is not exactly the same as Roblox requires, but Roblox Studio automatically converted. Now our avatar is converted. As you can see, it's added here. So we can drop, let's close the setup. We can drop this model, and we have our avatar here. One of the options, you can test your character here by clicking test and experience, but I have a better option to test it. We are going to make this as a default avatar for your experience. What you need to do is rename the model. This model should be named starter character, and we need to drag it and drop to starter player folder. Now when I click play, my avatar will be replaced with this one. So, and now my avatar is fully replaced, and it's R15. Awesome, you have successfully created and imported your very own R15 character into Roblox Studio. And that's a wrap. In just a few minutes, you went from an idea to living, breathing character inside Roblox. This is super cool because now you can easily add NPCs to your games and use Roblox's powerful feature like path fanning, animations. No need to build this logic from scratch. And in my next video, I will show you how to import free animations for your R15 rigs. So be sure you are subscribed to our channel to not miss it. And also leave a comment below, tell me what you want to see in a future video. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you soon.